Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to get started with crypto trading. Cryptocurrency trading has been around for over a decade now, and it has become a popular way to invest and trade in digital currencies. If you're new to the world of crypto trading and want to learn more about how to get started, then this video is for you. Understanding crypto trading. Before we dive into the specifics of getting started with crypto trading, it's essential to understand the basics. Cryptocurrency trading is the buying and selling of digital currencies using an online exchange platform. These digital currencies operate on a decentralized network, which means they are not controlled by any central authority. Setting up a trading account. To start trading in cryptocurrencies, you need to set up an account on a reputable exchange platform. There are numerous exchange platforms out there, so you need to choose one that suits your trading needs. Once you have chosen a platform, create an account by filling out the registration form and verifying your identity. You will need to provide your name, email address, and some personal information. Funding your account. After creating your account, the next step is to fund it with crypto or fiat currency. You can buy crypto coins such as Bitcoin or Ethereum from a crypto exchange, and then transfer them to your trading account. Alternatively, you can deposit fiat currency such as USD or EUR directly into your account. Start trading. Once your account is funded, you can start trading. You need to understand the market trends and have a trading strategy in place. It's essential to start with small trades and gradually increase your investment. It's also important to keep a record of your trades and analyze your performance. In conclusion, getting started with crypto trading requires you to understand the basics of cryptocurrency and how the market works. Setting up an account, funding it, and starting to trade are the next steps. Remember to start with small trades and analyze your performance to refine your trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.